I'm Venkatesham. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the common ion effect on solubility of ionic salts. Common ion effect is simply there is a decrease in the dissociation of weak electrolyte due to the presence of common ion from a strong electrolyte. It's a common ion effect. Solubility is the maximum amount of the substance that can be dissolved in 100 grams of a solvent or 100 ml of a solvent is the solubility. And this will be discussed for the mainly three situations. One is a AB type of electrolyte, and other one is a AB2 type of electrolyte, and AB3 type of electrolyte. These are the sparingly soluble salts. The first case is there is an AB is a type of electrolyte. It may be a monovalent, or it may be a bivalent, or it may be a trivalent, right? Suppose this AB type of electrolyte I am taking in I, which will be it is a A plus plus, this is a B minus, as all we know that its solubility is a S, and yes, we'll find this is an it's a KSP is equals to, we'll write down this is a S square, right? So this is a solubility product. Even if I can write this AB type of electrolyte, if it is a bivalent also, we'll write the same formula, that is a plus 2, and here it is in a B minus 2. And if it is a trivalent also, we'll write down the same formula, that is in the A plus 3, and here it is in a B minus 3. So there is no change or there is no effect on that particular valency for this solubility product. Here solubility product is KSP is equals to S square for AB type of electrolyte. If it is a monovalent or bivalent or trivalent, and its a solubility product is a KSP is equals to S square only. Whenever if I will write for this, there is a solubility is equals to, or a solubility of initial SI, I can write simply, I can write this is a square root of KSP. This is a solubility of initial. And for this electrolyte, AB type of electrolyte, common ion containing salt is added, and how the solubility, new solubility of AB will be changes due to the common ion effect. The most important consequence is that the solubility will be decreases. Here for this AB type of electrolyte, I am taking this AB type of electrolyte, and it will be the A plus plus, and it is in a B minus, right? For this there is an EAD is ionic salt, that is having the concentration C. Its concentration is a C, then it will be dissociated into A plus plus, this is in a D minus, and DC concentration containing EAD ionic salt is added to the AB type of electrolyte, and it may be a monovalent or bivalent or even trivalent. You can take that, it may be here A plus 2, or this is a B minus 2, or this is a plus 3, or this is a B minus 3. So at the time we'll use that this is either it is containing the same cation common ion, or a same anion common ion. If there is a common ion is either it may be a cation or anion, and its solubility will be further decreases due to the common ion. Either common ion is a cation or anion. Here I am taking that common ion is a cation, E is a, and it will be dissociated into, this is a B minus and D plus, and here B minus is a common ion is there, and BD is ionic salt that will be added to the AB electrolyte. Here B minus is there, either it may be cation is a common ion or anion is a common ion, or it may be a monovalent or divalent or trivalent, and its solubility will be further decreases because due to the common ion effect, and its solubility can be decreases. The decreased solubility, the new solubility can be calculated by using the formula. Here KSP is equals to, simply it's a concentration. New solubility you will get as a KSP divided by its a C. Whatever the KSP it will be there, that KSP divided by its a concentration of the ionic salt which is having the common ion in it. that will be concentration. You can take it here, then you will get the, it's a new solubility. Second type of electrolyte is a AB2 type of electrolyte is there. This will be dissociated into A plus 2, where it is in a 2B minus. So this BD type of electrolyte is added. Whenever there is a BD type of electrolyte is added, you can take this is in a D plus and this is in a B minus. Here common ion effect is there. This common ion effect is a common ion is a anion is a common ion is there. BD concentration is a C moles per liter. BD ionic salts concentration is a C moles per liter. That was added to the AB2 type of electrolyte, and it will be dissociated into A plus 2 plus 2B minus, and this BD will be dissociated into D plus and B minus, and B minus is a common ion here. That means here anion is a common ion is there. Here anion is a common ion. Whenever the anion is a common ion is there, and its solubility. Generally for the AB2 type of electrolyte solubility product KSP we will write down as a, that is in a 4s cube, and its solubility is equals to cube root of that is in a KSP divided by it is a 4, right? So this is a, we know that sparingly soluble salt solubility product we divided by it's a 4. Whenever the anion is a common ion is there, and this is the initial solubility, and a new solubility you will get as a, that is a KSP divided by it's a concentration square. C square is a, it's a formula to find out the new solubility. New solubility is equals to KSP divided by it's a concentration square. Whenever if there is a cation is a common ion is there. There is a cation is a common ion. There is a cation is a common ion is there. Here anion is a common ion, and a new solubility can be calculated by using the formula KSP divided by it's a concentration square C square. C is which is a concentration of BD ionic salt, right? So suppose for this AB2 type of electrolyte, and there is an I am taking this is a A plus 2 plus there is an 2B minus. Okay, here AD type of electrolyte is added to this one, and for this AD type of ionic salt is added whose concentration is a C. So that here A plus 2 plus this is a D minus is a dissociation for the AD ionic salt. Here A plus 2 cation is a common ion, and initial solubility again that will be the cube root of KSP by 4 only, and due to the cation is a common ion, and its solubility will be decreases. The decreased solubility and the new solubility can be calculated by it's a KSP divided by it's a 4 into it's a concentration of AD and whole power 1 by 2, or you can write the square root of KSP divided by it's a 4 into C. You will get one. This is a new solubility formula, and you can use this formula to find out its new solubility, right? So this is for the AB2 type of electrolyte. Third case is AB3 type of electrolyte, and it will be dissociated into here A plus 3 plus this is in a 3B minus, right? A plus 3 plus 3B minus, and its a solubility S, and this is a 3S, and its a solubility product KSP is equals to, I can write down this is in a 27S power 4. This is a solubility product, and its a solubility is equals to 4th root of and it's a KSP divided by it's a 27 is it's a initial solubility for the sparingly soluble salt of AB3 type. For this AB3 type of electrolyte, if I will add that there is a DB type of electrolyte is or DB type of ionic salt is added to this one, which is having the concentration C, and it will be dissociated into D plus plus, it is in a B minus. B minus, here also B minus, common ion effect is there. Due to this common ion effect, solubility will be decreases, right? So the new solubility, that means here anion is a common ion. Here anion is a common ion is there, or a new solubility. So yes, new solubility whenever the anion is a common ion is there, and it's a solubility product divided by it's a concentration power 3. This is it's a new solubility. So for this again, if AB3 type of electrolyte, I can write this is A plus 3, and this is in a 3B minus, and if I will add, there is an AD type of electrolyte, or AD is added, this is A plus 3 plus, this is in a D minus 3. Here A plus 3 ion, common ion containing common ion is there. A plus 3 common ion containing AD, whose concentration is a C, is added to the AB3, and here cation is a common ion is there. Here cation is a common ion is there. This cation common ion containing then solubility, due to the presence of this common ion, and its solubility of sparingly soluble salt will be decreases, and its a new solubility is equals to, we'll write down this is an KSP divided by it's a 27 into it's a solubility of or a concentration of ionic salt, which is added whole power 1 by 3. So this is a formula that will be helpful to find out its new solubility whenever the common ion containing ionic salt is added, particularly cation common ion containing ionic salt is added to the, so AB3 type of sparingly soluble salt.